Welcome learners for the lecture 10 of mathematical method, that is the MSc second year of a semester third. Today we discuss about the some of the example of a Fourier transform, how it will be solving to the by using as a condition formula or the inverse formula, all of this. Okay, let us go to the start date of the first example, that is show that Fourier transform of function of f of t minus a xi equals to e to the power I xi t function of f of t xi. This will be the given of the first example. Okay, this will uses as an example of the first. Means what will be the example of function of f of t minus a xi equals to e to the power I xi t function of f of t xi. Okay, we started as a proof, that is a, we know that the Fourier transform is given of the function, that is a function of f of t xi equals to 1 upon square root of a 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f of t e to the power xi t dt. Okay, this will be the formula given as a equation first. Then after that, both of these given condition will be as uses as a form. Then put up to the value of all given condition. First of all, we see the value of a t by changing of the equation, that is it is a t minus a. Then put t to the t minus a in the formula. Okay, 1 upon square root of 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f of t minus a e to the power I xi t dt. Then changing as a value, that will be the form, put t minus a, this will be the formula will be given as a t minus a equals to u. Then u will be given as a form, that is a t equals to u minus will be getted as a minus a to plus a in another side, left hand side to right hand side. Then dt will also changes as a du, because this will be the constant and getting as a 0. Same as a limit will be changes in the form of a t to the u. Then t equals to minus infinity, that is a lower limit. Then u equals to also minus infinity. When t equals to infinity, then u equals to minus infinity. All of this value will be given in the form, and put all this equation as well as the limit of this function, then putting of the value in all the equations. The function of f of t minus a xi equals to 1 upon square root of a 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f of, this value will be t minus a is a u, e to the power I xi u plus a, t will be given as a u plus a du. Okay, put up all this value and solve the equation. 1 upon square root of a 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f of u e to the power I xi, first will be multiply as a u and another plus sign will be multiply as a du. Then another content will be for, that is it is a constant value, because of the a is a constant, then constant value given in the first part, that is e to the power I xi a upon square root of 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f of u e to the power I u du. Okay, a equals to constant value given. Then replace u tends to t. Why replacing of the form? Because function will be given in this condition. Then u replacing as a t, e to the power I xi a bracket 1 upon square root of 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f of t, u is a replace as a t e to the power I xi t dt will be formed. Then this is a constant value will be given. This both of this is a containing of the function, that is the function of f of t will be generating of the form by using as a equation first, giving to the formula of the equation, that is a Fourier transform. Okay, this all will be solving to the condition. How to solve problem? First of all, given to the formula of the Fourier transform. After that, comparing to the example will be given, or a question will be given in this form, and comparing of the form, and after that put this value as a t equals to u equals to another form, limit will be changed. Then this all this value of a limit and putting all this value to the form and solving to the equation. Lastly, replace u tends to t, then replacing of the form and contain as a formula will be solving. Then put up to the function, that is the last form will be given as this question, that is a e to the power I xi a function of f of t will be given as a xi form. Okay, this is a first example. Then second example will be given as to the form. This is a Fourier transform, that is a, if lambda is a constant, then function of e to the power I lambda t f of t xi equals to function of f of t xi plus lambda will be given. This will be all solved in the same process. That will be the, we know that Fourier transform is given by function of f of t xi equals to 1 upon square root of a 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f of t e to the power I xi t dt. This is the first equation. All of this will be contained. Then function will be given in the second example, that is a function of e to the power lambda I lambda t f of t xi equals to, put up all this value, 1 upon square root of a 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity, function will be given, that is a e to the power I lambda t f of t, both of this constant in this form, e to the power I lambda I xi t dt. Okay, then equals to 1 upon square root of 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f of t e to the power, all the value will be constant, means I and lambda plus to the sign, that is the xi plus lambda dt. Then after that this value will be given equals to function of f of t. This all will be contained in this form, that is a xi plus lambda, by using as a equation first. This is the second example. Next is the third example. If f of t is a complex pi value function, then function of a f star minus t xi equals to function of a f of star t minus xi will be given. This is a very complicated form, but it will be solved in a complex form. Okay, this will be. Then we know that the function of the Fourier transform, that is a function of f of t xi equals to 1 upon square root of a 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f of t e to the power I xi t dt. This will be the first equation. Then after that put up all this function in this equation. Function of a f star minus t xi equals to 1 upon square root of 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f star minus t to the power I xi t dt will be given. Then put all this value, that is a t minus t equals to u, that is a t equals to minus u, and dt equals to minus du. Then limit, if limit will be given, that is a, when t equals to infinity, then mu equals to minus infinity, by given as a minus sign. Then t equals to minus infinity, then mu will be changes as a infinity form. After that put all this value in a equation. How will be getted as the form? Because t equals to minus t, then minus t equals to, putting as a value, that is a u, that means a t equals to minus u. Dt will be differentiating form, that is a dt equals to minus du. Same as a limit will be changes, when t equals to infinity, then mu equals to minus infinity, and t equals to minus infinity, mu equals to infinity. Both of this condition will be changed. Then put up this value, means f star minus t xi equals to 1 upon square root of 2 pi integration infinity to minus infinity, because both of this value will be changed. Minus infinity changes to infinity and minus infinity changes to infinity. Okay, this will be the form. F star will be given as this condition of the form. After that put it this value in a both of the condition, f star u e to the power I xi minus u du, okay, equals to minus 1 will be given as this condition of the form. Both of this equation will be changes in the form, that is a minus u will be common in the form, minus 1 upon square root of 2 pi integration infinity to minus infinity f star u e to the power I xi minus u du. Main important form of this equation, we concentrate how to sign will be changes in the replacing of the form, in the value will be replaced, as well as limit also replaced. This will be the 2 of the limit is a different, okay, e to the power I xi minus u du. Then changing to the value of this equation, 1 upon square root of 2 pi integration, this minus sign getted at this integration, and integration sign will be changes, that is a minus infinity changes to in a upper limit changes to lower limit, and lower limit changes to upper limit. F star u e to the power I xi u du. Then third step will be given, replacing u tends to t. 1 upon square root of a 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f star you will be containing as a t e to the power I minus xi t dt will be given. Then by using as a first formula of the Fourier transform f of f star t tends to getting as a minus i. This will be the example is a solving to the problem of that condition will be. Also will be changes in this Fourier transform function or the Fourier transform. First step will be given as a formula will be noted in this form given as a equation 1. Then how to the constant value or given equation will be given to the formula and will be changes to the putting or replacing to the value of this form and get it as a formula. Solve this equation and lastly third step will be given as a u tends to t will be put in and last form will be generating as a function.